tayo para maganda tingnan, takin tayo. May ball game. First position of Sentinel, big, short, rebound on Kalma. Kalma now, open jump, too strong, flat top. Again Kalma, Alka, in and out, rebound on Nepi. Now Nepi. In and out, Crooks. Alak to Pilarka. Oh, still. All motivation. Now Alarcon. Brad, you're Alarcon, in and out, rebound again on Alak. Pilarka. Yes, first basket, first shot on Pilarka. Shower score 2-0. Favor of Sentinel.
James.
Brooks. Looking for Alak. Alak now. Alak to. Yes, on work now 4-0. 4-point lead on Sentinel. It's our quarter final match. First match, first game. Alakon, Kurt.
Yan mo lang, Kurt.
Too strong. Tap. Crocs now. Big Crocs. Looking for Kalma. Kalma. 10 to shoot. 10. Alak. 5 to shoot. Oh! In and out. Rebound on Nepi.
Tingin.
Kalma. Steal on Nepi. Alak to Kalma. Kalma. Open jump. Yes on Kalma. Now 6 against 0. 6-point lead now on Sentinel. Now Alarcon. Tindugan. Kurt. Ow! In and out again by Kurt. Now Alak. Aquino. Same spot. Short. Crocs there. Crocs. Kalma. 10 to shoot. 10. In and out. Aquino again. Black. Yeah, may titugan.
Talunin mo, Will. Talunin mo.
Now Nepi. Now rebound on the white shirt. Now Alak to Aquino. Oh, in and out. Now Tindugan. Foul. Foul number 29 on Alak. First on Alak. First team foul on Sentinel. First basket, first shot by Quindino. 6-1. Quindino, 5-point lead on Sentinel. Short, rebound by Alak. Now Alak. Kalma. Too strong again. Rebound by Tindugan. To Kurt. Drive. Coast to coast. In and out. Rebound on Kalman. Kalma to. Nice pass. Aquino. Yes on Aquino. It's 8-1. 7-point lead on Sentinel. Alarcon. To Quindino. Kurt. Stop pump. Kurt. Yes on Alarcon. It's 8-3. 5-point lead on St. Benil. This is our quarter-final match, quarter-final game. Do or die game. Alak. Nice pass, Crooks. Kalma again, 10 to shoot. Outside. Blocked by Nepi. 8 to shoot, 8. Now, Alak. Crooks.
Nice pass.
Aquino. Block again. Nepi now. It's 3-1. Nepi. Pass. Alato to Nepi. Yes to Nepi. Time out. On St. Benil. Our score 8 against 5. 3-point lead on St. Benil.
Balance.
This is our quarter. Alak. Kalma. 14 to shoot. Nice pass. Pilarka. Jump ball. It's motivation ball. Motivation. Now, Alarcon. Tundino to Kurt. Nice pass on Alarcon. Too strong. Rebound by Kalma to Aquino. Pass to Crooks. Yes, on Crooks. 10-5. Aquino. Steal again by Aquino. Aquino, side step. Aquino goes to go short. Ivan Crooks. Crooks. 12-5. 7-point lead now on St. Benil. Steal again by Kalma. Kalma to Crooks. It's 3-1, 3-2, 3-3. Crooks looking for Kalma. Foul. Foul on number 17 on Alarcon. First on Alarcon. First team foul against Motivation. Now Pilarka. Alak looking for Aquino. Steal by Contino. Alarcon. Nice drive by Alarcon. Stepping on the line. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. This is our first game. Steal by Kurt. Kurt to Alarcon. Back to Kurt. It's 3-2. Kurt, side step. Kurt. Bang! Basket down and 1. On Kurt. Foul on number 29 on Alak. Second personal foul against Alak. Second team foul on St. Benil. It's 12-7. White ball. 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Now Alak. Kalma. Short. Tap again by Alarcon. Alarcon drive. Side step. Too strong. White ball. This is just our quarter-final match, quarter-final game. Do or die game. St. Benil against Motivation. Now, Crooks to Alak. Short again, top. 14 to shoot, 14. Aquino. Bang! Oh, Aquino! It's 14-7. Nepi, 14 to shoot. Again, too strong. Nepi. Wow! Basket count and 1 against on Nepi. Foul on number 24 on Pilarca. First personal foul on Pilarca, 13 foul on St. Pinil. It's 2 minutes.
Next one.
14-10. 4-point lead on St. Pinil. Nice defense. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Alarcon. Nebi. Corner shot. Corner pocket. Short. Rebound on Alak. Top. Now Kalma. Joaquino. Tindugan. 1 minute and 20. Kurt. Alarcon. Gusto again. Top. To Crooks.
Balik.
Now Condino. Short. Top. Now Tindugan. Again, too strong. Kalma. Kalma. Whoa! Kalma. 16-10. 52 seconds. Nebi. Too strong. Rebound on Kalma. Kalma to Aquino. All alone, all the way. Yes on Aquino. Time out on motivation. Our quarter-final match. Do or die game. Now Condino. Good. Then to shoot. It's 3-1. Crooks. 10 seconds. 5. 3 seconds. 3. 3 seconds. Basket count by Alarcon, now 18 against 13. Second quarter na rin, second quarter.
Yung third and fourth, hindi daw magpalit.
Calavera. Moya. Bang! Oh, Moya!
Hey, defense!
In and out. 23-13. Magat. Yes on Magat. 23 against 15. Now Calipara. To the door, Aparador. Moya again, same spot. Too strong. Now the point guard. Back to Isidero. Nepi. Too strong. Repelled by Arar.
Point guard!
Calipara. Moya again. Again too strong. Rebound by Isidoro.
Kalaksak! Good! Last kamay na!
Isidoro.
Abol!
Short. Top. By Arar. Struggling, very struggling. It's 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 14 shot clock, 14. Now Isidoro. Time to shoot. Magat. Bidua.
Hawak na! Hawak na! Hawak na! Hawak na! Hawak na!
Now Calabara.
Sabot na, boss. Sabot na.
It's 7 minutes and 48 seconds.
27? Tatlo lang, unahin nyo na muna. Huwag ano, kailangan. 06.
Isidoro. Back to Isidoro. 14 to shoot.
Ayos up!
Foul. Foul on number 06 on RR. First on RR. First team foul on St. Green. Now 16 to 23. Now 17 against 23. Now 6-point lead of St. Benil. This is our quarter-final match, quarter-final game. Do or die game. RR. Looking for Moya. Moya. RR again. 10 to shoot. 10. 5. Steal ang nalastas. Nepi. Time out. On St. Benil. Now 19 against 223.
Wala nang timeout sa NBA.
Our score 23 against 19. Now Calibara. To the door, Aparador. Yes, on the door, Aparador.
Eh, depensa tayo, depensa!
29 against 19.
Abol, abol, abol! Tiket, tiket! Ayun na! Sir!
Magat.
Bibigyan ko sila ng skinny. Kumuha din ako ng skinny.
Tap. Oh, Moya.
Antay, antay! Bola, bola! Gawin! Oh, balance, balance, balance!
Then,
Balance,
Montoya.
balance!
Montoya now, Calibara. Black by Isidoro. Magat. Isidoro. Foul.
Sige, sige. Mami na problem.
Foul on Montoya. Working on number 10 Montoya for technical.
Shooting foul.
Second team foul on Sidney. It's 5 minutes and 53 seconds.
Sinawag na muna pa yung
Boss, maaga mo balik siya.
25 to 20. Back to 5-point lead on St. Benil. Now Montoya. Calabara. Aparador. Rebound by Isidoro. Still by Montoya. You know, top. Montoya again. You know, rebound by Isidoro. Foul. Foul again on 06 on RR. Third team foul on St. Benil. Second personal foul on RR. It's 5 minutes 17.
Naiilang sila dun sa guard na matangkad yung bata. Dapat, huwag kang papasok sa gitna. Kahit bata yan. Hoy!
Step on the line. Motivation ball, motivation. 14 is set clock, 14.
Dikit, dikit, dikit!
Isidoro. 10. Shoot.
Lapit!
Rebound Arar.
Dito, isa oh!
Tador. Montoya. Alvara. Arar. In and out. Rebound by Magat. Now Isidoro. Anastas. Magat.
Isa lang.
4 minutes and 20 seconds. Ten to shoot. 3-second violation on 06 on Arar. Nice defense. On motivation, it's 4 minutes. 25 against the 20.
Mamba.
Yes, Manila Stars. 25 to 22. Now Calibara. Arar. Back to Calibara. Tador Aparador. 10 to shoot. 10. 5. Twenty-four shot clock violation. 24. Now Calabara. Montoya. Isriunon. Tador Aparador. Calabara. 3-second violation. 3-second violation on Selvini. Time out on motivation.
Depensa tayo, depensa, depensa!
Ano yun eh?
Bidia Tumagat. Short. White ball.
Swing, swing, swing.
14 to shoot. Whoa! Aral. 27 to 22.
Labol, labol! Run, run!
Diretso!
Kaya, kaya!
Nepi. Foul. Foul on number 91.
Ano lang yan?
Warning for penalty on St. Pinil.
Yung 91. 91 sila.
It's 1 minute and 47. 27-23.
First one 91. Sub yun.
24 to 27. It's 3-point lead now on St. Pinil. Calibara. Tador. Rolling variation, rolling.
Dapat
1 minute and 28.
nag-wipe siya eh.
Slide. Slide.
Light.
Parang
Hey, lapit!
Short air ball. Steal by Isidoro. Pidia. Now steal again by Montoya. Short. Yes, Avarador, Gador. 50 seconds.
Sa'yo na yan, Dor. Sa'yo na.
40 seconds, 40 to shoot.
Hawak lang, hawak lang. Hawak.
30 seconds. Yes, Manalas does. 20 seconds.
Last shot tayo.
15. Wow, 6 seconds, 6. Penalty, red penalty. Six seconds, 29 to 26.
Boss, pwede ba akong mag-jingle?
Oh.
Dalawa kay Montoya, tapos sa kay Ana. Aba, natin pa rin!
And now for second. Back to 8-point lead on St. Pinil. Motivation ball. Third quarter. Now Alarcon. Magat. Kurt. Basket count and one on Kurt. Foul on number 16 on Kalma. Habulin mo. 29 to 34. Back to 5-point lead on St. Pinil. Bilarde to Flores. Paso na Varias. The flying K. Kumpo to strong top. Violet ball. Violet's ball. Our score 29 against 34. This is our quarter-final match, quarter-final game. Do or die game for our NCAA Season 3. May basketballista. Traveling violation ng Narcon. Turnover on motivation.
Iwan, open na yun. Baka na, Flores. Oh, kalma, kuha.
Now, Kalma. Kumpu. Bilarde. Stop, try. Bilarde looking for Flores. Short again. Bilarde fake. Bilarde side. Nice pass. Kalma, 10 to shoot 10. Yes, on Kalma. 36 to 29. It's 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Alarcon to Contino. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Contino. 36 to 32. Bilarde to Kumpo.
Kamay.
Pass to Laparias. Back to Bilarde. 14 to shoot. Kumpo fake. Kumpo atan. Kumpo back. 10 to shoot.
Sayang.
Nice.
Black. Clear ball by Kurt. Now Contino. Kurt again. Rod. Kurt goes to coast. And Kurt 36 to 34. 2-point lead now on St. Pinil.
Ginay mo lang.
Pwede, boss. 1-2 lang. 1-2. Pwede lang. 1-2 lang.
Push mo na. Harap.
Short.
Wala pa.
Sa kabilang rep.
Na-save. Bakit ito?
Nice one.
O, sub kayo, sub. Sino mag-sub? Sub kayo. Pwede na mag-sub, sir. Pwede na. Hindi, pwede na. Walang oras ko. Wala na tayo, wala tayo. Sub na 10 minutes. Walang 5 minutes.
Kapo! Iwan, sa'yo na yan ha, sa'yo na yan.
Nice one.
Black. May magat. Kurt.
Boss! Pila!
It's 6 minutes and 50 seconds. 36 to 34. 2-point lead on San Benil. Wala na. Lumikon tayo, di ba? Sabi ko, usap tayo kanina. Kahit sino pwede na.
Luwag, Luwag mo. Baba mo. Babaw na, kunin na ibabaw. Rap!
Magat.
Kuha.
Kurt. Alarcon.
Tira mo. Nice, sir. Kabila.
Now, nice pass down side. Goal to goals. Yes, on Flores. 38 to 34. Back to 4-point lead on San Benil. Condino.
Natulala.
Yes, on Condino.
Stop. Nice one.
Substitution depth, sub rep. Bilarde out.
Para makapagpahinga, Kanino? Iwan?
Flores, short. Yung panula pa niya, step to shoot. Ito mandala, substitution depth, sub rep. 38 to 36, only 2-point lead on San Benil. Now Isidoro. Tindungan. Pass to Kurt. Block. Rebound. On Kumpo.
Kulang.
Nice pass! Oh! Substitution depth, sub rep. Flores out. Only 2-point lead on San Benil. It's 38 to 36. Whoa! 38 all. Now first attack of the game. Between San Benil, Motivation, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Kumpo. Dador, Parador, hesitate. Back to Kumpo, 10 to shoot, 10. Yeah, 14 to 38. It's 4 minutes and 20 seconds. This is our quarter-final match, quarter-final game.
Patay niya na yun. Tapat. Hoy, baksaw!
Yes, and Kurt. 40 all. 4 minutes. Foul. Salito Select. Foul on number 6. Number 5 on Condino. First on Motivation.
Jake, kunin mo.
Parehas. Ilagyan may Kurt. Kumpo.
Kunin mo na.
Isidoro. Short. Parador.
Nice.
Whoa! Magic combo. Now 42 against 40.
Benzo.
Nice defense on Calma. It's 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 18 to shoot. 14 to shoot.
Good.
It's 2-1. Kumpo.
Wag! Wag siya!
Kurt. Black. Calma. It's 3-on-2 now. Calma to Labarias. Back to Calma. Labarias. Go! Yes, on Calma. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Hey, baba!
44 against 40. Kurt. Labarias. Yes, on Labarias. Time out. On motivation. It's 46 against the 40.
Uli na. Tapat na. Tapat.
Bang, 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 bang. On Magat.
Itoy.
46 to 43 now. 3-point lead. Set Pinil. Calma. 14 to shoot. Yes, on Nabe. 46 to 45. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Short. Four to 3. Foul on number 91, Sid Pinil. Second team foul on Sid Pinil. Second personal foul. On Braveheart. Second on Braveheart. Ah, na-release na.
Tapat. Buhay isa.
Short. Sub, rep, sub. $50 seconds. $40 to shoot. Steal on Nabi. Parador. Aquino. Umpo. Take. Right. Braveheart. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Yes, on Malastas. And on for third quarter, our score 47 against the 46. 1 point lead now on motivation. Fourth quarter. Flores. Short again. Braveheart. Top. Flores again. Kumpo. Short. Isidero. Magat. It's 9 minutes and 27 seconds. 1 point lead by motivation. It's 47 to 46. Calma. Montoya. Our ball. 9 minutes. Our second game, second match will be Navigate against Alkisay. Shoot again.
Baba na!
Alarcon.
Kapit!
Whoa! Alarcon! Now 49 to 46, 3-point lead on motivation.
Hey, go, lapit!
Flores. Kumpo. 10 to shoot.
Next one!
Bidia.
Takuin!
Alarcon, time out! On set play.
Baka tumirik.
5-point lead on motivation. It's 51 to 46.
Labas sa screen! Labas sa screen!
Kumpo. Shoot again. Kalma.
Next one. Door!
In and out. Arar.
Yes, tulong!
Kalma.
Hoy!
Yes! Ador! Apanador!
Layon! Nice! Hey! Bulang! Bulang!
Nice one.
Sabi niyo! Bulang mo!
Good, good. Oh, tuwa ka, ha?
Wala yan! Good job!
7 minutes and 25 seconds.
James! Tulong ka muna sa back. Salamat pa niya, no? Waiter!
This is our quarter-final match. Self-Benil and motivation. And the winner of this match will advance to the semis.
Yeah, kaya!
Against Perpetual. Nice, Kalma. Yes, on Kalma. 50-51. 1-point lead. On motivation. Now, Magat.
Tapat!
Kurt. In and out. Braveheart.
Push!
Now, Kumpo.
Okay, bisa mo ba?
Bang, bang!
Then short. Tap.
Takbo na, pre! Takbo na!
Ipanador. Operador.
Pila!
Black.
Huwag na lumabit!
Nice, Eric!
Yes, now 52. Time out. On motivation. It's between Self-Benil and motivation. There's 52 to 51. 1-point lead now. On Self-Benil.
Rebound, hawak bola! Stop one, five. Stop one.
Air ball. Short. RR. Short. 10 to shoot, 10. Pador. Kumpo. 14 to shoot, 14.
Nice, Derek.
Yun na.
Rebound on RR. Braveheart. Foul. Foul on number 22 on Manalastas. First on Manalastas. First team foul. On motivation. Sa prep.
Ang dami.
Taga-relax.
Awak lang.
Bumpo, taga-relax.
Dalawa, Jer!
Taga-kalma.
Salang!
It's 5 minutes and 28 seconds. $53 to 51. 2-point lead now. On Self-Benil.
Dikit. Dor, tulak mo yan, Dor. Dor.
14 to shoot. Traveling Malaysia, traveling. Nice turnover. Nice defense on St. Benil.
Release na, waiter.
Gamit konting oras, pre.
Swing, swing, swing.
Ikot. Nice one.
Short.
Ulit ka!
Sa'yo na yan, sa'yo na yan. Nice box! Nice box! Nice, nice, nice.
Out the door. Kalma.
Nice arm!
Black. The door again. Big. Kalma. Yes, out Kalma. 55 to 51. 4-point lead now on St. Benil. 4 minutes.
Tiket, tiket, tiket. Tiket, tiket, tiket. Dos, wala ko daw. Goody, goody.
10 to shoot. Short.
Oras, oras, oras.
Nice!
Now, Sitero. Alarcon. Black. Sub. Fourteen assists that clock, 14.
Ayun lang yan, Dor.
Short. Time out on St. Benil. 55 to 50. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 55 to 53. 2-point lead on St. Benil. Kalma. Tukumpo. 14 to shoot. 14. 10. 5. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Kumpo! 58 to 53, 5-point lead. On St. Benil. Pador. Kumpo.
Relax, relax.
Oras tayo, oras.
Foul. Foul on number 6 on Isidoro. Second team foul on motivation. First on Isidoro.
Nice, Eric!
Whoa! Kalma! This is our quarter-final match, quarter-final game. Do or die game. On our NCAA Season 3. By Basketballista. 10 to shoot. Bang! 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 On Lepe! 60 to 56. Last 2 minutes. These last 2 minutes is brought to you by Chokes to Go.
Oras, oras, oras.
Kalma. Parador.
Isa lang!
Too strong. Ibang may magat.
Nice ball! Nice one! Nice one!
Yes! On error.
Hey! Di pa tapos! Abot! Short!
Foul. Foul on number 91 on Braveheart. First team foul on St. Benil. Third personal foul on Braveheart. It's 1 minute 18 seconds.
Out down, bigay! 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 Bigay!
14 to shoot. 10. Traveling violation, 46 seconds, 46. This is our quarter-final match, quarter-final game.
Ba! Ba!
27 seconds, 27.
Hawak na lang. Pasok lang, wala. Pasok. Walang dribble.
Papapanda lang yan.
Foul on number 23 on Kurt. 13 foul against Motivation. First personal foul on number 23 on Kurt. 25 seconds, 25.
Wala.
15. Nelson Kumpo.
40 seconds, let's go tayo.
10 seconds.
Ay puta to,
And advance to the semi-final game, St. Benil.